안녕하세요. I'm Jia. Today, let me introduce what Koreans eat for breakfast. Typical Korean breakfast consists of rice, kimchi, one kind of soup, and small side dishes called banchan. And there are lots of variety of soup that fits for breakfast. Today we'll be making Kimchi Kongnamul Guk, which is made with kimchi and soybean sprouts. It's a very common soup in Korea. We'll be making anchovy broth today. We need to use a medium to large size anchovies. In a medium-low heat, just put all the anchovies in the pan, and literally we're going to dry the anchovies. Just dry them on the pan with no oil. Or what you can do is put in a microwave oven and just like 10 to 20 seconds, and then it will quickly dry up. Okay, turn off the heat, move to the plate. Okay, we're going to remove the head and the guts from the anchovies. So this stuff, especially the black part, this makes the stock bitter. So quickly take this out. So we're using 20 medium-sized anchovies. If you're using large anchovies, big sizes, you can reduce to like 17 or so. And I'm going to put in bag, small bag. Actually, I have only like small size bag, so I need 2 of this. Okay, they're ready to go. In a medium-sized pot, 1.8 liters of water. So I put a small pouch bag of the anchovies in here, and I have 200 grams of chopped kimchi. It's very important to use fermented sour kimchi, aged kimchi. All the kimchi goes in water along with dried anchovies. And we're going to bring this to a boil. It's going to take a while to bring the stock to a boil. So we need a few stalks of scallion, just thinly sliced. And this is kongnamul, soybean sprouts. We're going to use whole soybean sprouts. If you see over here, this is the head part of the vegetable, and it has a long, thin tail. So this part has lots of vitamin. So we're going to use this. I wash this, and then it's drained. So we're going to put this when the stock gets to a boil. Okay, it's boiling now. Let's skim off. Now we want to lower the heat and simmer. It has been 20 minutes, and I'm going to put the bean sprouts in the stock. Then let's add, this is kimchi juice, and we're going to season it with salt, kosher salt. And I want to use a little bit of fish sauce. For vegans, you may substitute fish sauce to a light soy sauce. And we want to simmer the soup for 10 minutes. The soup is done. Turn off the heat, and we need to discard the anchovy bag. And we're going to add small chopped scallions at the end and turn off the heat. So this is a traditional, typical breakfast for Koreans. And actually the bean sprouts are packed with amino acid, and it helps to break down the alcohol in the liver. So this soup is considered a hangover soup as well. Thank you for watching. See you next time.